Hi my dear children, how are you all? Hope you are good. I am your Indira ma'am. Come on children, let us start the exercise. Are you ready? Come on, all of you stand. Everyone stand up. Take position. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Once again do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. One more exercise. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Once again children. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. What is the date today? Today date 16. Today date 16. Which month? September. Which month? September. Year 2020. Year 2020. What is the day today? Today is Wednesday. 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 Today is Wednesday. Today I am teaching you maths. Today we will learn about place value. Okay children. 0 to 9 numbers. 0 to 9 numbers. Single digit numbers. Single digit number. It belongs to ones. It belongs to ones. 10 to 99 numbers. Two digit numbers. Two digit numbers. It belongs to tens. Tens. 0 to 9 numbers. Single digit number belongs to ones. Ones place. 10 to 99 numbers are tens place. Okay children, understood? Come on children, take your textbook. Level 1. Level 1. Open page number 17. Open page number 17. Place value. Look at the book. Place value. Place value is about the position of digits in a number. Place value is about the position of digits in a number. Two digit numbers are made of tens. Two digit numbers are made of tens and ones, because if we have lots of objects to count, it is easy to make groups and count them in groups. Place value is about the position of digits in a number. Two digit numbers are made of tens and ones, because if we have lots of objects to count, it is easy to make groups and count them in groups. The groups are made of 10 objects in one group. 10 objects in one group and are called tens. If there are more objects left after making groups of 10, they are called ones. The groups are made of 10 objects in one group and are called tens. If there are more objects left after making groups of 10, they are called ones. The number 25 is made up of two lots of tens and 5 ones. 2 lots of tens and 5 ones. Look, here is the one example. Count children. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 110. Here 110. Again count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. These are also 110. How many tens here? 1, 2. 2 tens. Here 2 tens. How many squares here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 ones. 2 tens and 5 ones. 25. 2, 5, 25. 2 tens, 5 ones. Here one more example is there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. How many tens here? 110 only. Here 110. Here how many ones? Only 1 ones. Only 1 only ones. Understood? Come on children, let's do an activity. Look here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. A group of matchsticks. A group of matchsticks. How many? 110. 110. Here 110. Add one more. This is 110 plus 1. Only 1 ones. 110 plus 1 ones. Equal to which number? 11. 11. Next. Add one more. One more matchstick add. Which number? 110 plus how many ones? 1, 2. 2 ones. 110 plus 2 ones. Equal to number 12. Number 12. Next add one more matchsticks. Here this is 110. How many ones? 1, 2, 3. 3 ones. Which number? 110 plus 3 ones. Which number? 13. 13. Next add one more matchsticks. Come on count children. This is 110. How many ones? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 ones. Here 4 ones. 110 plus 4 ones. Which number? Number 14. Number 14. Add one more matchsticks. This is 110. 110. How many ones? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 ones. Which number? 15. Which number? 15. 110 plus how many ones? How many ones? 5 ones. 110 plus 5 ones equal to 15. Next add one more matchstick. Come on, tell me children. This is how many tens? 110 plus how many ones? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 ones. How many ones? 6 ones. 110 plus 6 1 equal to 16. 16. Add one more matchstick. This is 110. How many ones here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. How many ones? 7 ones. 110 plus 7 ones. 7 ones equal to how much? 17. 17. Add one more matchstick. 110 plus how many ones? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. How many ones? 8 ones. 110 plus 8 ones is equal to 18. 18. Next, add one more mastic. Come on, children, count. Here, how many tens? 110 plus how many ones? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. How many ones? 9 ones. 110 plus 9 ones is equal to 19. 19. Add one more mastics. Again count. 110 plus how many ones? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Here also 10. 10 is the bundle of 110. 110 plus 110 equal to 20. 110 plus 110 equal to 20. Let's do another activity. Find and write the place value of the numbers. Count the line, children. Count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. This is 110. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. This is 110. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. This is 110. How many tens here? 1, 2, 3. How many tens? 3 tens. Right here 3 number. How many ones here? 1, 2, 3, 4. How many ones? 4 ones. Ones place here 4. Tens place? How many tens? 3. This is right side ones. Ones place. This is left side tens place. 3, 4. 34. You can write, children. 3, 4. 34. Count, children. How many tens here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10. 110. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. This is one more 110. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. One more 110. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. One more 110. How many tens here? 1, 2, 3, 4. How many tens? 4 tens, right? Here tens column 4. Can write 4. How many ones here? Count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. How many ones? 6 ones. 4 tens, 6 ones. Which number? 46. 46. Next, another activity. Filling the blanks with the correct number of tens and ones based on the numbers. This is tens. Tens means T means tens, ones. Tens, ones. 32. 32. How many tens here? In this number, how many tens? 3 tens. 3 tens. How many ones? 2 ones. 2 ones. 3 tens, 2 ones. For example, look at the board, children. 43. This is tens, ones. 43. In this number, how many ones? How many ones? This is ones place. How many ones? Number 3. 3 ones. Right? Ones place. 3. How many tens? 4 tens. Can write tens place 4. 4 tens, 3 ones. 4 tens, 3 ones. 4 tens, 3 ones. Next one more. 5 0 50. 5 0 50. Come on, tell me which one is the ones place? Which one is the ones place? This one. 0. 0 is the ones place. 5 is the tens place. 5 is the tens place. 0 is the ones place. 5 is the tens place. Next, one more example. 46. 46. Come on, children. Which number is the ones place? Which number is the ones place? 6. 6 is the ones place. 4 is the tens place. 4 is the tens place. Next, one more example. 37. Look here. 37. 37. Which number is the ones place? Which number is the ones place? 7. 7 is the ones place. 3 is the tens place. 3 is the tens place. Next, 24. How many tens? 2 tens. 2 is the tens place. 4 is the ones place. 2 tens, 4 ones, 24. 2 tens, 4 ones, 24. Next, another activity, children. Filling the blanks, the tens and ones according to the number given. Here, 56. 56. 5 tens, 6 ones. 5 tens, 6 ones. Here, 78. 78 equal to how many tens? 70. 7 tens. 7 tens. Here, number 7 can write. Here, how many ones? 8 ones. How many ones? 8 ones. You can write 8 number. Next, 85. 85. How many tens? How many tens here? 8 tens. 8 tens. And how many ones? 5 ones. You can write 5 number. Here, 5 number. Next number 69. 69. How many tens? 6 tens. Right here 6. How many ones? 9 ones. You can write 9. Next one 72. 72. How many tens here? 7 tens. You can write 7. How many ones? 2 ones. 2. Can write 2 number. Next, 91. 91. How many tens? 9 tens. 1 ones. 1. Right? 1 ones. 98. 9 tens. 8 ones. 8 ones. Here 62. 62. 6 tens and 2 ones. 2 ones. Here 59. 59. How many tens? 5 tens. 5 tens. 9 ones. 5 tens and 9 ones. Okay, children. Another example, can count the matchsticks here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. This is 110. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. This is one more 110. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. This is 110. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. This is 110. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. This is 110. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. This is 110. How many tens here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. How many tens? 6 tens. In tens place can write 6 number. 6 number. Next, how many ones here? 1, 2. How many ones? 2 ones. Ones place can write 2. 2. 62. Can write 6, 2. 62. Do one example, children. Look at the board. Which number? 10. Which number? 10. How many ones? This is 0 is the 1. Ones place. How many tens? 1 is the tens place. 0 is the ones place. 1 is the tens place. How many tens here? 1 tens. And how many ones? 0 ones. 1 tens plus 0 ones. 1 tens plus 0 ones equal to 10. 1 tens plus 0 ones equal to 10. Next number 11. 11. How many ones? This is 1. 1 is the ones place. This is the another one is the tens place. 1 10 and 1 1. How many ones? How many ones? This is the 1. 1 1 and how many tens? 1 10. 1 10 and plus 1 1. 1 10 plus 1 1 is equal to 11. 1 10 plus 1 1 is equal to 11. Next number 12. 12. Which one is the ones place? Which number is the ones place? Come and tell me. 2. 2 is the ones place. 2 is the ones place. 1 is the tens place. 1 is the tens place. How many tens here? 1 10. 1 10. 1 10. How many ones? 2 1. 2 1. This is the ones place. 2 ones. 1 10 plus 2 1 equal to 12. 1 10 plus 2 1 equal to 12. Next number 13. Next number 13. 13 is the, which one is the ones place? Which number is the ones place? 3. 3 is the ones place. Next, which one is the tens place? 1. 1 is the tens place. 13 is the 1 is the tens place. 3 is the ones place. How many tens? 1 10. 1 10 plus how many ones? 3 1. How many ones? 3 1. 1 10 plus 3 1 equal to 13. 1 10 plus 3 1 equal to 13. Next number 14. This is 4 is the ones place. 4 is the ones place. 1 is the ones tens place. 1 is the tens place. How many tens here? How many tens? 1 10. How many tens? You can write 1. How many ones? How many ones? 4 ones. You can write 4 number here. 1 10 plus 4 ones equal to 14. 1 10 plus 4 ones equal to 14. Next one 15. Which one is the ones place? 1 is the ones place. Yes? No, 1 is the tens place. 1 is the tens place. 5 is the ones place. 5 is the ones place. How many tens? How many tens? Only 1 10. 1 10 plus how many ones? 5 ones. How many ones? 5 ones. Can write 5 number. 110 plus 5 ones equal to 15. 110 plus 5 ones equal to 15. Write down in the classwork, children. Next one. Example. Tens and ones. Tens and ones. Number 4. 4 tens plus 2 ones equal to 4 tens plus 2 ones equal to how much? 42. 4 to 42. 4 tens plus 2 ones equal to 42. Next one. 2 tens plus 0 ones equal to how much? 2 tens plus 0 ones equal to how much? 20. 2 0 20. 2 tens plus 0 ones equal to 20. Next, 3 tens plus 9 ones equal to 3 tens plus 9 ones equal to 3 is the 10 place, 9 is the 1 place. Which number? 39. Which number? 39. 3 tens plus 9 ones equal to 39. Next, 5 tens plus 7 ones equal to 5 tens plus 7 ones equal to how much? 57. 57. 5 tens plus 7 ones equal to 57. This example also you can write in the classwork, children. Example. Write tens and ones. Can write tens and ones. Which number? 4 3 43. O is the ones, T is the tens. O is the ones, T is the tens. Which number? 4 3 43. 43 number. Ones place. Which one is the ones place? Number 3. 3 is the ones place. 4 is the tens place. 4 is the tens place. 3 is the ones place. 4 is the tens place. Next number 26. 26. 26. Which one is the ones place? Which number is the ones place? Come on, tell me. 6. 6 is the ones place. Tens place. 2 is the tens place. 2 is the tens place. 2 is the tens place. 6 is the ones place. 26. Next number 49. 49. Which one is the ones place? Which number is the ones place? 9. 9 is the ones place. 4 is the tens place. 4 is the tens place. 4 is the tens place. 9 is the ones place. Okay, children, understood? Thank you. Have a nice day, children. Stay home, stay safe.